Magandang umaga Pilipinas and hello world! My name is Ryan and welcome to Cupcakes Ball. I'm at YouTube right now! It's my first time here in YouTube Space LA and we're gonna be attending my first exclusive creator event. I can't wait! So subscribe now so you won't miss any upcoming videos. Today, I'll be teaching you how to make YouTube-inspired cupcakes. In honor of my first trip to YouTube Space LA, I made YouTube play button cupcakes. Today's cupcake flavor is going to be cola. What I use to flavor my cupcakes is the cola flavor from SodaStream. The first step in making these cupcakes is to make the cupcakes ball magic batter. To make the magic batter, you can click the I above me or you can check the details below for the full recipe. Once you have your magic batter ready, we add 1/3 of a cup of the soda syrup. And then we give this a little mix. It is delicious! So using an ice cream scooper, I'll be transferring my cupcake batter into my cupcake liners. It's still broken. Okay. This is like the most perfect cupcake I've ever baked. And then we bake this at 18 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And now it's time for us to decorate. To finish decorating my cupcakes, I've used Wilton ready-made fondant to make the YouTube play buttons. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you again next week. Bye.